This is not computer animation. More than 10,000 drones are turning the night sky above Shenzhen into a giant digital canvas. On September 26, 2024, a fleet of 10,197 aircraft lifted off together and created enormous moving images over the waterfront. The performance set 2 Guinness World Records, the most drones controlled simultaneously by a single computer and the largest aerial image formed by multi-rotor drones. Each aircraft must know its exact position, follow a timed flight path, and maintain safe separation from thousands of neighbors. A small navigation error could ripple through the entire formation. The real spectacle is therefore hidden behind the lights. Automated health checks, centimeter-level positioning, wireless coordination, and software capable of turning a three-dimensional design into thousands of individual routes. The operator, Shenzhen-based Higrate, says its newer box launch system can automatically power, test, and recover groups of drones, reducing the field space and manpower needed for large shows. What once required a huge ground crew can now be coordinated from a compact control system. The result is part engineering demonstration and part public art. Buildings, spacecraft, and flowing shapes appear for only a few seconds, but every image depends on years of work in flight control, communications, and safety. Fireworks disappear in smoke. A drone formation can change shape, tell a story, and return for another performance.